Good afternoon, I'm Chris Beecham and welcome to IG's afternoon market headlines for Wednesday, the 28th of November. Now you join us as the FTSE is enjoying something of a late afternoon rally, with US markets also pushing into positive territory. London's leading index is around 5 points higher at 58.05, having spent most of the day in negative territory, but has now reversed all those losses following comments from a US politician. House Speaker John Boehner, a Republican, issued comments today to the effect that the Republicans will be willing to discuss increases in tax revenues if President Obama and the Democrats were prepared to put spending cuts on the table. And markets have been hesitant for the last couple of days because of the lack of progress in the US fiscal cliff. So this sign of progress, albeit a sort of very vague one, is a very welcome sign for investors. And this demonstrates an important fact that markets are becoming very dependent on comments made by politicians in the US. We've seen this already in the Eurozone, where unguarded comments can rapidly cause markets to rise or fall. And the same thing now appears to be developing in the US with regards to the fiscal cliff. Now, in other news, US new home sales fell 0.3% in October, slightly contradicting the better reading we saw from the Case-Shiller index yesterday. And in corporate news, United Utilities is enjoying an update after reporting an increase in revenues and profits, despite rapidly increasing its infrastructure program for the year. Looking ahead, there will be one last piece of economic data to be released this afternoon when the Fed will release its Beige book survey of the US economy at 7 p.m. London time. That's it for me, but do please consult your insight platforms for more news and analysis.